Hello students, how are you? In today's class, we are going to learn about our home planet, that is the Earth, and also about the clothes we wear. Let's start and know more about our home planet, Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and our home planet. The Earth is the only planet where people live. Earth revolves around the Sun and its average distance from the Sun is 149 million kilometers. Scientists have researched that our Earth is around 4.5 billion years old. Earth revolves around the Sun once every 365 days. Earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. The name Earth is 1,000 years old. It means the ground. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and other 29% is covered by land. Only 3% of Earth's water is fresh and 97% of the rest is salty. There is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere. The mixture of gases is known as air. Air contains nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Without these gases, we cannot live. Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Our Earth has four major main layers, that is number 1 inner core, number 2 outer core, number 3 mantle, number 4 the crust. The land masses on the Earth's surface are known as continents, and the large areas of water surrounding the continents are called oceans. There are 7 very large land masses on Earth which are known as continents. Different landforms are found on Earth such as mountains, valley and plains. A large high earth surface is called mountain. Hill is a raised area of land. Lower land between hills and mountains are called valley. Large acre of flat land is called plains. Our Earth holds a variety of rocks and minerals as its resource, which is of great help to human beings. Earth provides us with air, water, food, and shelter. It is our moral responsibility to protect our Earth from pollution and global warming. We should not waste natural resources like coal, water, and minerals found on Earth. More than 7 billion people are currently living on planet Earth. Children, now let's solve the exercise on page number 13 of the textbook. Our home planet. The Earth is the only planet where people live. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the clue box. Number 1. The Earth is the dash planet from the Sun. And the answer will be, children, third. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Number 2. The Earth rotates around the Sun. So the answer is Sun. Number 3. Land masses of the Earth are called the dash. Answer will be continents. So, land masses of the Earth are called the continents. Number 4. The Earth is the dash largest planet. And the answer is fifth. The Earth is the fifth largest planet. Number 5. People have not lived on any other planet other than the dash. Answer is Earth. So, people have not lived on any other planet other than the Earth. Number 6. The Earth is called the dash planet as 70% of its surface is covered with water. And the answer is blue. The Earth is called the blue planet as 70% of its surface is covered with water. Number 7. The dash is at the center of the Earth. The answer is core. So, the core is at the center of the Earth. Number 8. Large areas of water surrounding the continents are called dash. And the answer is ocean. So, large areas of water surrounding the continents are called oceans. Now, children, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is clothing. Clothes are the things that people wear to cover their bodies, such as shirts, pants, dresses, and coats, etc. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, and wind. It also protects us from insect bites. People of different regions wear different clothes. We should keep our clothes clean and keep them neat. In summer, we prefer to wear cotton clothes as it keeps us cool. In winter, we wear woolen clothes as it keeps us warm. We use umbrella or wear raincoat when we go out in the rain. We wear school uniform when we go to school. Different schools have different school uniforms. Different people wear different uniforms at their jobs. Example, doctors have different dress for their duties in hospital. Nurses wear the proper dress on their duty. Postman wears a uniform for his duty. Policeman and security guard wears their respective uniforms on their duties. Early man did not have clothes to cover their body. Early man used to cover themselves with leaves, grass, fur, and the skin of animals. Clothes are made of different fabrics like wool, cotton, silk, and linen. We get wool from animals, cotton from cotton plants, silk from silkworms, etc. There are few synthetic fibers too, which are made by man. Now, let's learn few more names of such clothing. Dress, tie, jacket, suit, blouse, t-shirt, jeans, shirt, sweater, coat, scarf, sweatshirt, shoes, trousers, socks, skirt, winter hat, boots, hat, shorts, mittens, gloves, etc. Now children, let's solve the exercise on page number 33 of the book. Clothing. Clothes protect us from sun, rain, cold, snow, and other weather conditions. Read these clues and fill in the words given below. Number 1. These shoes cover the feet and a part of lower legs. And the answer is children, boots. B-O-O-T-S. Boots. So children, in the fill in the blank, you will write the word boots. Number 2. Pants made from denim fabric. And the answer is jeans. J-E-A-N-S. Jeans. Number 3. You wear this to bed at night. And the answer is pajamas. And the spelling is P-A-J-A-M-A-S. Pajamas. Number 4. Narrow band of fabric tied around the neck. And the answer is children, tie. T-I-E. Tie. Number 5. It keeps you dry in rain. Any guesses? Yes, it is raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. So children, write the word raincoat in the fill in the blank. Number 6. We wear these under our shoes. And the answer is socks. S-O-C-K-S. So we wear this under our shoes, socks. Number 7. We all wear this outfit to school every day. And the answer is uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Number 8. Women wear this piece of cloth on their head. And the answer is scarf. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Now we'll read the quick fact. We get cotton from cotton plants and silk from silkworms. Life skills. Should you donate your old clothes to poor children? What do you think, children? Yes, we should. We should help everyone around us. So, children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.